as a senior high school student. Day in my life as a Marian.
This is Day in the Life as a Marian student, St. Patrick Edition. So yun po, babayad po kami ng tuition for today for the exam. Yan, exam na namin later. Yung laptop. So yun guys, kukuha kami ng test permit. Ayan. This is a typical day in the life of SME student. So yun. Success!
Hello guys! We're going to Ma'am Gigi right now. This is my mini vlog. Say hi. 7 dwarfs! -1.
6 dwarf lang siya.
Sat B minus ano, bake. Sandali. Hey guys, so we're gonna check our CL with PETA because they are claiming that nagulo siya. Oo nga, gago.
Hi kayo sa vlog ko, guys.
Nakita ko na siya finally.
Ikaw. Ayan.
Nananting ko pa. Mamamatay ako.
A day in my life is Marian. So, exam day na yon.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Kamusta ang exam sa January?
5 points, tama! Yes!
Yes. Sana makapasa. Yay!
Yay! Uy!
A day in my life.
Yan. A day in my life is Marian na naghihintay ng sundo.
So guys, katatapos ng exam.
Bagsak!
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 Picture na!